Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome to Nobody is there, so welcome myself. We will start today. The semester. We will start the sixth semester today, and unit first. The unit name is Garidon Service. You can see here. I have uploaded the all the notes. I have uploaded ninth, and this is ninth edition. This is eighth edition of Food and Beverage Service. I have brought it from the Amazon, and I have uploaded here. Both the books are here. So now you guys need to see the notes on this. So Garidon Service, which is here on page number 295, something like that. So 295, we'll see Garidon Service right here, and we will start on that 295. Here we go. Okay, so we are here now on page number 295. You can see here Garidon Service, chapter 10.1 on ninth edition. So now we will discuss first introduction, principle, and meaning of Garidon Service. So first of all, I would like to show a video so you guys can get a clear idea. You guys know what is Garidon Service, what is trolley service, what is flambe, but I will give you a recap on this. One moment, it's coming there. I will give you a recap on this, and then hold on, one is showing.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Akshita. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay, so you can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so time should be 10 now, 10 past 5, right? So we are late now. So I have already started the lecture. It is it's recording. You can see the PDF over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Akshita. Okay, so what about other guys? They are joining or no? You have no idea. Okay, no problem. So as you can see the screen, right? Google Classroom over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we gonna start? We're gonna start the semester. I will zoom it for you. We will start the semester, which is you can see my cursor, semester 6, unit 1, and the topic
Yes,
is
sir.
Garidon Service, right? So what I did, I have
Yes.
uploaded all the books here. I got the I brought this book from the Amazon for you guys. This is 8th edition of FNB service, and this one is 9th edition of FNB service. So you will get all the information on these two books. So what we will start? We will start the Garidon service. You guys know what is Garidon service, right? You have a basic idea about it, right? So it's basically trolley service. So before we start, so we're gonna discuss these five points over here. So we'll discuss introduction first, then special equipments of Garidon service, complete procedure, use of liquor in the Garidon service, advantages and disadvantages of Garidon service, and space requirement. You can see my screen, right? If you don't see, just let me know.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so what we will start now, we will start the Garidon service. I will show you a video and you will get a basic idea what is Garidon. Okay, you can see the video
Okay.
now.
Yes, sir.
You can see the screen, right? So I will play the video. Just
Yes, sir.
you can see the video, Akshata?
No.
No?
Yes, sir.
You can see the video, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is actually a Garidon service, Garidon trolley. Akshata, you can see the video, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you can hear the sound of video? It's audible?
No, sir.
Okay, voice is not there. Okay, no worries. Just see the video. This guy is making crepe sujet on Garidon trolley. Okay, the dish name is crepe sujet, which is flambe. Okay, just have a look and then I will discuss.
Okay.
Okay, cool. These are some points we have to remember while making the the first point is locate the trolley away from the certain curtains or hangings. Okay, so we have to keep the trolley away from the curtains and hangings. Ensure you have all the ingredients and equipments. Otherwise, you have to run back to the kitchen and bring them, and that will be a chaos. Next, prepare the dish. Use the second last one is use a small amount of spirit to create the flambe. So we have to use small amount, otherwise it will catch the fire, and that will be a fire accident. Okay, then next finish the dish, present and serve to customers. Okay, so these some points we will discuss again. So these are the flambe instructions, or we will say that this is the points to be remember while making a flambe. Okay, so flambe is quite it's a part of Garidon service. So you just now seen the video, right? So you have a
Yes, sir.
and basic idea now. So I will go back to the notes. Where are the notes? Here. Okay, so page number is 295. Search 295. Okay. See the screen now, Akshita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so chapter 10.1, Garidon service. The definition of the term Garidon is movable trolley. So I will read out for you. If you can't hear, if you can't see the screen, just let me know, because this is screen sharing. Sometimes network drop and that will disconnect the screen. So let me know if you can't see the
Yes, sir.
screen. Okay, so I'm going
Okay.
to read out the introduction for you. Okay, so the definition of flambe. What is the first point? You can see here. You can see here now. First point is
Yes, sir.
introduction, principle and meaning of flambe. Okay, so same you can see the in the I have uploaded the notes on the Google Classroom. You can see the points. So we are going by the point wise, by the syllabus copy. So now the definition of the term Garidon is movable service, table or trolley from which food may be served. What is the definition? It's a movable service on the trolley,
Yes.
which food may be served. Okay, in effect, the
Sir.
Garidon is movable sideboard or service station. So we can say it is a movable sideboard or service station carrying sufficient equipment for the service requirement, together with any spare equipment that may be necessary. Okay, so you just see the video, and who's there? Okay. You just see the video and you just get a clear idea about what is the flambe, what we have to do on the Garrison trolley. What is Garrison trolley? Garrison trolley basic setup is you can see here. This is the basic setup. You can see the screen. These are
Yes,
the
sir.
basic. You see here a basic Garrison layout or layup, or we have to prepare the basic Garrison equipments. These are the basic Garrison equipments. Okay, so this setup will change according to the dishes what we are preparing. If we are preparing the banana flambe, if we are preparing the crepe sujette, so we need a different utensils, cutleries, crockeries, which we
So
have to set up on the right.
voice break.
Yeah, so this set, so आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है. हेलो, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? हेलो 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 अक्षता, can you hear me? Hello. So this setup, I think you have disconnect. Okay, no worries. So this setup will change according to the dishes what we are preparing on the Garrison service. Okay, so the definition of the term Garrison is movable service table or trolley from which food may be served. In effect, the Garrison is movable sideboard or service station carrying sufficient equipment for the service requirement together with any space requirement equipment that may be necessary. So this is the basic definition. You have seen, you know now, you understand, you've seen the video. The Garrison service usually indicates serving foods onto the customer plates. So what we have to do, we have to, Akshita, can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a Garrison service is usually indicates serving food onto customer plates at the Garrison, but may also refers to other enhanced services techniques such as a service using a drink trolley, carving trolley, cheese trolley, sweets, pastry trolley. These trolleys also act as selling aids as they display the items on offer to the customer. So what is basically Garrison is? Garrison is what we are preparing, we are selling to the guest in front of him. So in the Garrison service, we can show that that comes under the cheese trolley, carving trolley is also comes under the Garrison service. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
Cheese trolley, Garrison service, Garrison trolley is also comes under, or pastry trolley, because these are also the dishes what we are showing to the guest and selling them in front of their dining table. These trolleys also act as selling aids. They display the same thing which I just explained you now. Then what we have to, this is the introduction. Now introduction part is principles and meanings. Now this we have just going through the principles. Garrison service is an enhanced form of table service but is more costly as it requires. So Garrison service is basically more costly, and this is the actually a stable service. So you have seen the video. It's a movable trolley, movable table. So first point is higher level of technical skill we required. When we planning to give a Garrison service to the guest, we should have a higher skill level staff, so who can handle the flambe thing, handle the trolley, manage the space requirement, and there should be a less expert and less accidents on the in front of the guest. So that is the safety hazard we have to follow. So that's why we need a higher technical service skill staff. Okay, so that point is there. The next point is the use of more expensive and elaborate equipments. So what we have to do, we have to use more expensive, like a non-sticky pan, might be a burner. So next we have some equipment I will show you just now. These are the you seen this layout. This is the basic layout. I'm just going to explaining, but you have disconnected. This is the basic layout. For the Garrison service, so this layout might be changed according what dishes we are preparing. Okay, so if you are preparing the crepe suji,
Okay.
we have to little bit change the setup. If we are preparing the banana flambe, so we need to use a knife, fork, and the other things. So that slightly change what we are preparing. It depends on. So I will show you the what equipments. So this is actually a cheese trolley, or the equipments are these are the equipments. So what we have here, you see a picture A, photo A, it's right here. You can see these burners. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so these are the burners and stove and lighters. So first A is traditional methyl spirit lamp. This is methyl spirit lamp, and B is modern methyl spirit gel lamp. These are two lamps. So modern methyl spirit gel lamp, and the C is a gas lamp, and D is gas stove. So these are some equipments we have to use. That's why these are expensive. These are nano, we can say it's a nanotechnology we have to use. So everything is compressed. We don't have that much space, so we have to use the small equipments. So those equipments are quite expensive. That's why the Garrison service is quite expensive service. Okay, understand now?
Okay.
So these
Yes.
equipments are quite expensive. We need the staff, skillful staff. We have to pay him extra other than normal staff. And then the third point is larger service are areas to allow for the movement of trolleys. Of course, we are moving a trolley into the restaurant or into the guest area, so we should have that much space along in between the tables. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So of course, it's a common sense. If we are moving a trolley, so we should have that much space to move around the trolley.
Yeah.
So it's a common sense. Okay. The next, the principle is further enhancement to Garrison service includes. So what enhancements we required? The first point is prepare. You can see the points, right? Can you read out these 3
Yes,
points
sir.
one by one?
Preparing, yes, preparing and serving food in the
Mhm.
service area, such as a salad and
Salad,
dressing.
dressing. Okay. And then next point,
Carving, jointing, or
filleting
filleting
foods.
foods in a service area.
Okay. And the flambe. And third one is the flambe. Flambe, just now I
Flammable.
have shown you a video. So these are 3 parts actually. What we are doing on the Garrison service. So we are doing these three parts. Okay. So 3 jobs we are
Yes.
doing. We are preparing. Sometimes we are preparing and serving foods in the service area, such as a salad or dressing. So we are making salads or dressings in front of the guest. So this is the first point we are doing on the Garrison service. So Garrison service include these 3 points. Okay. Preparing
Yes, sir.
and serving foods such as the salads and dressings. Next, carving. We can do carving in front of the guest, like joining or filleting food in service area. So what we do, we can do carving, we can do joining or filleting. Okay, so this is the part of the meat, pork, whatever we have to use them, filleting
Okay.
and joining. We have to separate them and we have to portion them. Okay, so that is the part of carving. Okay, so if we have a ham or if we have a turkey, so we have to cut them with the joints. We have to make a proper portions and we have to serve to the guest. Okay, with the proper accompaniment.
Okay.
So next, the flambe. Flambe, just now I have shown you a video. Flambe, the preparation and finishing or cooking of food in the restaurant, which also flamed means um, we can see you can see the flame, right?
Yes.
You've seen the in a video, that person is using liquor or something that catch the fire and it gives a flambe effect. Okay, so that's basically all thing the thing of manage introduction, principle and meaning. So you have clear an idea, basic idea, right?
Yes,
Now you
sir.
understand. And any questions? No.
Yes.
Okay. So now the first first point is over. Then we will go to the second point, which is special equipments for Garrison service. Okay. So page number 298. 298 should be somewhere here. So we will see now what are the special equipments or tools we are using in flambe. So here, so this is the basic criteria, okay, for any flambe service. Okay, so that will change according to the dish what we are preparing again. Okay, so this is the basic idea of dish. The first point is for most joint, a knife, joint knife. So we can do the joining. Okay, joint knife with the blade 25 to 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is the basic criteria. You just go through it. Long and 2.5 centimeter in or 1 inches wide in requirement. So what we required, we required joint knife which has a blade of 25 to 30 centimeter, and it should long like 1 inches. Okay, so then another one for poultry or game, a knife with a blade. If we are making a poultry dishes or preparing a poultry on garidon, so we need poultry knife or game knife with blade of 20 centimeters. So this is the calculation thing, basic thing. If somebody will ask in the so remember one thing: the flambe will come definitely. Will ask you for the internal for the any interview what is flambe. So this is here, you have to mark this. Okay, this is the most asked term, which is flambe. Flambe you should know. I have shown you a video. I will repeat one more time. This is flambe. See, this is flambe. Okay, let's have a look one more time. So this effect is flambe effect. Understand now? Okay, so in terms of in the written format, you can write like what is flambe: the preparation and finishing or cooking of food in the restaurant which are also flamed. Okay, so that is a flammable. Okay, then next come back to the point, the tools, selection of tools. If we have the point, second point, if we have poultry or games, a knife with a blade 20 centimeter is long, 8 inches or more suitable. Okay, so whatever suitable knife you want to use for the poultry game, you can use it. Okay, then third one, for ham or carving knife. For ham, a carving knife with a long flexible blade is preferred. This is often referred to as a ham knife. Then third one is serrated knife. Do not always cut better than the plain bladed knife, with the latter giving a cleaner cut. Okay, so what is serrated knife? So I will show you. You know the term serrated knife? Okay, so I will give you a photo. So this is actually a knife with the forks. Like you see this, you have seen this photo.
Yes.
This is serrated knife. You can see the blade which is quite shredded. Okay. That is a plain knife, not a sharp knife. It is okay. Now you understand the image. Okay, this knife is serrated knife. Okay, mostly we use for the butters. Okay, then next, so that we need that tool we need for to cut the butter. Okay, we don't use the plain knife to cut the butter. Okay, so that will giving a cleaner cut. A carving fork, the second last point is carving fork is needed to hold the joints firmly in position when carving. Okay, so we have to hold the joints while we are carving. Okay, so we need a carving fork. Understand? So we have to hold it. Okay, so we can hold it firmly. Then the last point is carved on board, either wooden or plastic. Why it says like that? Carve on board, either wooden or plastic. Avoid carving on china plates or metal. Apart from the damage this can cause, especially with silver, small splinters or metal can become attached to the meat slices. If we carve the food on the metal or on the china plates, what problem will occur. So if we carving on the metal or carving plate, the particles can of the china plate or the metals can be attached. So if we are carving on the board, there's nothing like wooden or plastic that will not affect that much, because that's a carving board specially made for the carving food. And these bone china or metal particles can, if we are using knife against the metal, that the small particles of the metal will come out and attach to the food, the meat slices, and that will goes into the guest stomach or guest body, and that might get damaged, or that might got get a food poisoning or something like that, and that will be dangerous for the guest or for us, or it will damage the service. Okay, so we have to use proper wooden or plastic boards. Understand?
Plus. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next, okay, that's it. The tools, you just understand tools. Now complete procedure. The third point we are going to discuss. What is the third point?
Complete procedure of garden service.
Okay, we can see here, right? So complete procedures. So procedures are here. What is mean by complete procedures? So procedure of garrison service. So
Start
how? What is the? Yeah, perfect. So what is the procedure to handle the trolley? How to prepare garrison trolley? How to serve? So this is the basic idea of how to use the garrison service. Okay. Okay. So now first point is, so you can read out. You can you read this thing?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hold on, hold on. Okay, hold on for a second. Page 98. Procedure, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just read out this procedures thing. Okay. Okay.
Garrison.
Go ahead.
Procedure of garrison service. Garrison service is essentially a chef and comic service. There must therefore be complete
License
license
and teamwork.
teamwork between them and the other members of the team.
Okay. So the procedure. So garrison service is essentially a chef and commis service. Okay. So this is a chef service, commis service. Basically or essentially, there must therefore be complete liaison and teamwork between them and other members of the team. Okay, so this is actually the chef service or commis service, we can say, or it is. So every task of the FNB, or every task of uh, the hotel, the kitchen or something, anything, housekeeping, it's everything comes under the hotel management or hotel organization, which by the teamwork. Okay, so everything we are doing which is the part of teamwork. So this garrison service is also part of teamwork between them and other members of the team. So if somebody is doing garrison service, so we have to prepare, we have to make sure that all the things on the table, all things all required misa on the table, what he's going to prepare, so everything should be on the place. Okay, so that needs a teamwork. Okay, so second point is always push. Hello Yasmin, good morning, maybe good afternoon for you. Always push the garrison trolley. Always push the garrison trolley. So you have seen the video, that person was seen the video beginning of the class. That person is pushing the trolley, not pulling, right?
Yes.
So that same thing is written here. The garrison Garidon should be kept in the position in one. Sorry, always push the Garidon trolley. Garidon, never pull it. Okay, so that might be a safety hazards there. This helps to control and steer the Garidon in the right direction. Okay, that might avoid some accidents. Okay, so while pulling that instead of pulling, we have to push the trolley. That might avoid the accidents. Okay, the third point is, understand? Yasmin, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Blah blah blah. Maybe yes, maybe no. Okay, no problem. So the third point is the Garidon should be kept in one position for the service of a complete course and not moved from customer to customer. So what it says, can you explain this point, Akshata? What third point it says? I will highlight it here. What does it mean? I will read out once again for you. The Garidon should be kept in one position for the service of a complete course and not moved from customer to customer. What does it mean?
गेस्ट का मतलब गेस्ट का पूरा कोर्स कंप्लीट होने तक
राइट, सो हम लोग को क्या करने का है, तो बेसिकली गैरडन सर्विस जब हम लोग देते हैं पर्टिकुलर गेस्ट को, so if we finish with this guest, we don't have to move the trolley and go to another guest. So we don't have to do that. That is not the standard operating procedure of Garidon. So what we have to do, we have to arrange the tables accordingly so we can serve simultaneously to both the guests. Okay, so that if you're serving more than one guest, so we have to place two tables nearby and the Garidon trolley should be in between, so that person will serve simultaneously to both the guests. Understand? So that quite the point you have to remember. Okay, then third point is, unlike silver service. So what is silver service, Akshata or Yasmin? Silver service is comes again. What is silver service? Huh?
Pre-plated service.
Silver service is pre-plated and American service is?
No, American service is a pre-plated service.
And silver service?
वो कटलरी वगैरह का कुछ.
Okay, so service, the waiter is personalized service. Silver service is personalized service. So you guys understand now. The terms are coming back to back again and again until third year. So you have to clear the idea. So Akshata, or Yasmin, this Garidon service is personalized service, waiter service. Okay, personalized service. So that Garidon service is a part of silver service. Okay, understand?
Okay.
Because this is the table service. In short, what is silver service? Table service. So we have to serve the guest by the waiter or by, we have to serve the guest. So that is not a pre-plated. American service is pre-plated. That's right, Yasmin. So what we do in American service, guest is preparing the guest, garnishing. Chef is preparing the guest, preparing the dish, garnish, and we just pick up the dish and place in front of the guest. That's the American service. But silver service, we have to serve the guest on the table. That's the basic idea. So Garidon service is a part of silver service. Now you get a clear idea? Okay.
Yes.
So what is gold service?
Sorry.
What is gold service? Now we just finished silver service. So what is gold service?
सिल्वर में है कि वो टेबल सर्विस, तो गोल्ड सर्विस. सर गोल्ड सर्विस कहाँ है?
अच्छा ठीक है, जस्ट अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. गोल्ड सर्विस नहीं है आपके पास, so देख रहा था तुम लोगों का ध्यान है कि नहीं. So okay, so unlike silver service where the spoons and forks are used together in one hand. Okay, so spoon and forks, you know the how to have spoon and forks together in one hand. You know the silver service, right? How we serve the rice to the guest, how we serve the bread to the guest, how we serve the whatever vegetables we have, continental, doesn't matter. So we should have that service gear, what we call spoon and fork together in one hand, that is service gear.
Yeah.
Right? Am I right? Okay. Then Garidon service. Garidon service requires that the spoon and fork are used one in each hand. But garrison, so what we have to do, some slightly changes in garrison service. Spoon and fork we have to use in each hand, not in one hand. In silver service we are using the service gear in one hand, but garrison service we have to split the service gear, so we have to use spoon in one hand and fork in one hand. Understand? That's slight changes here in the garrison service, you will see. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Spoon and spoon and fork are used in each hand. Okay, this gives more control and makes the service quicker. Why we have to use in each hand? So that will control, that gives more control. So more control is very important while we are serving on the garrison, because if we out of control, that we will damage the guest, or the that might be a hazard, accidents, something, a fire hazard, something, whatever you will do, oil spill on the guest body or something like that. So we should have a proper control. So for that we have to use fork and spoon in each hand. So that will give you more control. Control is very important while serving the garrison, because we are making dishes in front of the guest that might be a accident hazards or something like that. So that's why we have to use spoon and fork in each hand. Then make the service quicker. The other purpose is using spoon and fork in each hand makes the service quicker. So service quicker is very important. We have to finish the guest, because guest is waiting for the dish, so we have to make a quicker service. Then the fifth point, Yasmin, can you read out loudly this highlighted point?
The dish is first presented to the customer and the name of the dish is state. For example, your dover slow, madam. This the dish is then returned to the
Garidon.
Goredan.
Okay, perfect. So what we do, I will read out again once for you. The dish is first presented to the customer, right? So we are doing this normally. Whatever in an American service restaurant, what we do, we will present the dish to the customer, okay, and name the dish. Ma'am, your crepe sujette. Ma'am, your banana flambe. Whatever you're preparing, okay, and then we are serving that dish to the guest. Am I right? We have to announce the name of the dish. That's the
Yes.
procedure of how we are serving the dishes to the guest. So that same procedure we are using in the garrison service. Nothing else. Okay. And after that, we have to bring back that return that dish, return to the garrison service. Okay. Then 5, we have to announce. See here, 5. Fifth is we have to announce the dish, and then we have to serve to the guest by the after the from the garrison service. Then 6th point is hot joints plates are placed along the front edge of the trolley. So what we have to do, we have to put hot plates in front edge. So we have trolley in front of us, so we have to put the hot plates along in the front edge of the trolley. So we have to, so that plates will go next to the guest, right? So that should be closer to the guest, okay, and front edge of the trolley, okay, near to the customer. So see here, near to the customer. Then with the dish contain the food to be served, place onto the hot plate at the back edge of the trolley near the waiter. So whatever dish we are preparing, that dish and the food is next to, close to us, close to the waiter or close to the commis or chef who are preparing on the flambe. That of course that will be easy and convenient to preparing and setting up the dish, and then we are serving, okay. So that should be closer to the waiter, okay. Then next point, where it is here, the food dishes are then served onto customer plates. This may be also includes portioning, carving, joining, filleting, if necessary. If we, so that's a part of silver service. You guys know what is the portion, what portion we have to serve to the guest. So that's a basic thing we have to apply on the garrison service. So nothing special in this. So next point, when, so you guys know how to make a portions, and if we have four guests in front of us, so we have to portion the main course accordingly to all the guests, okay. So that's a portioning thing. Then next point is when transferring food and liquid from the service flats and sauces, boats to the hot joints plates, always run the fork along the underside or spoon to avoid the drips. Okay, so if we have some sausages, we have some oil with us while preparing the dishes. So what we have to do, we have to avoid dripping. Okay, dripping, we don't have to drip the sausages and oil all over and make it messy. So we have to take care of that. We have to avoid dripping of oils or sausages while preparing the or portioning the dishes to the guest. Okay, we have to avoid the dripping. Okay, so that's the गिरना नहीं चाहिए यहाँ वहाँ पे. So that's we have to make sure. Okay, then next point is the waiter may then serve the potatoes and vegetables onto the hot joint plate while they are still on Garidon. Okay, waiter can serve the potatoes and the vegetables from the Garidon service. Okay, while they are on the Garidon. Okay, so that's the another part. The waiter may then serve the hot potatoes and vegetables onto the hot joint plates. So we have to use hot potatoes and vegetables on hot joint plates. Okay, so that's another part. The waiter also serves the sauces onto the hot joint plates. The plates are then placed in front of the customer. Okay, so after we serving the potatoes, vegetables or hot joint plates, sorry, hot sausages and on the Garidon service. So what we have to do, we don't have to serve potatoes and vegetables on the. So this is actually a tricky part. Understand carefully. So what we have to do, we have to prepare the dish on the Garidon service. We have to serve the vegetables, potatoes on the trolley. That plate is on the trolley. We have to put potatoes, sausages, whatever we have to serve to the guest, we have to put here. So because these vegetables and potatoes and sausages are the accompaniments. Okay, so we don't have to serve to the guest. We have to serve. It's like a pre-plated. Understand? We have to make a plate we have to make a plate on the Garidon service, and then that plate will go in front of the guest. Okay, but in terms of main course, if we are serving a main dish, so we have to serve from the Garidon to the guest. We don't have to prepare here and then we have to pick up the plate and put in front of it. But that there is no use of Garidon service there. Okay, so that will be considered as a pre-plated service. But accompaniments and the sausages we have to serve on the Garidon. Understand or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will explain you one more time. What we have to do, Akshita?
Yes, sir.
What we have to do, main dish we are preparing on the Garidon, we have to serve to the guest from the Garidon. But accompaniments
Yes.
like potatoes and vegetables, we don't have to serve to the guest because these are the accompaniments. We have to prepare the dish
Yes.
on the Garidon and then we will serve the dish to the guest. Understand? This is clear now? Okay, so that's a difference. Alternatively, where more than 2 covers being served from the Garidon, only the main dish. See here, only the main dish of each customer would be served from the Garidon trolley, with potatoes, vegetables, sausages, accompaniments being served to the customers once the main food items have been served onto the customer. So main food items served straight from the Garidon to the customer plate, but accompaniments and the sausages we have to prepare the dish on the Garidon and then we have to serve to the guest. Okay, there is a network issue, network failure, might be a chance of disconnect you from the screen. So what we have to do, we will finish this. Can you hear me, guys? You can see the screen. Hello.
Hello.
You guys can see me, right?
Yes.
Okay, we will finish this point because there is a network drop now. I don't know it will what's going on now. Okay, there is a slow network. So what we will finish this. Alternatively, where more than 2 covers are being served from the Garidon, only main dish of each customer would be served from the Garidon with potatoes, vegetables, sausages, accompaniments being silver served to the customer once main course food items have been served onto the customer hot plate, hot joint plates, and placed in front of the guest. Okay, so next point is the commis must always keep Gardon clear of dirties. So we have to keep working area clear, neat and tidy. That's the same thing we have to do while serving the garrison. Okay, so that point is there. When the next point is when the service is finished at one table, wipe and clear down the garrison switch. After finishing the service, what we have to do, wipe the clear down the garrison and move it on the next table immediately. Okay, wipe down the garrison, move it on the next table immediately. It will then be ready for service at the next table to be served, and the commis coming from the kitchen with a loaded tray. Okay, so what we have to do when we finish the finish serving one guest or one table, we have to clear the tray, wipe down the area, and then we have to move to the next guest, and then the fresh loaded tray will come, and that will like tray should look like this. Okay, this is the tray, a basic tray. So that will remove after serving one guest, and that new loaded tray will come from the straight to the kitchen to garrison trolley. Okay, that is there. Okay, so what we have just finished is introduction. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you see the screen? We have finished with the introduction. This part is done right there. I might change it. This is done. This is done. This is done. Use of liquor in the garrison service. So, and the advantages we will learn tomorrow. Okay. Liquor in garrison service. So, what is homework now? I will give you homework. So what is the homework? You can see here. Can you read it out? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Huh? Hello.
Hello.
Huh? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is homework now?
All.
Write all notes of finish
Topic
गया?
before. Hey.
topic before next lecture.
Okay, and then.
तो इतना पूरा लिखना है जितना समझा है उतना.
हाँ, नोट्स थोड़ा ही है ना, मतलब देखो अभी क्या हुआ है, देखो ये देखो क्या हुआ, इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ है, राइट?
Yes.
आपको किधर शॉर्ट में मिलता है, ये देखो, दिस इज बेसिक थिंग, यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन नोट्स. सो आई विल गिव यू लाइक 1 page 2 pages, but you have to short it down. What you understand, just write it on your own language, make it short. These notes are useful for your exam preparation, understand? So when you go to the make a points, 5 points from the page, from the paragraph. So this is the introduction, right? This is procedure. So most likely these all points are similar while we are serving any dish like normal service. But the garrison service include that points also, so you don't have to overwrite that. So what you have to do, you have to make 5 points from here, and then for the exam you can explain those points or add more points. You just pick out like important points from here. Okay, procedure from the garrison service, understand? Don't have to write all the things. So introduction will be the short. See here, introduction is here. Introduction is here. This is introduction. Okay, these 2 paragraphs.
Okay.
Or 1 paragraph, whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay, this is introduction, and then special equipment for the garrison. Special equipments is tools. See here, tools. Selection of tools. Okay, so this 3 points or 4 points you have to write it there. Okay, make it short. It is for your make your own notes, understand? these notes or
Complete
use
procedure of
Google,
the-
whatever you have to use. Then complete procedure, I just told you, just pick 5 points, 5 important points. Okay, that should be important, not like common points. Okay, so common points you
Okay.
understand, you know, so you can write it, you make it more bigger while you're writing answers. But common important points you have to get it from the book which I just uploaded on the Google Classroom. So you have to take the points. Okay, that is there. Next, you have to write the syllabus copy. You know the business, right? You know the drill. What you have to do. Syllabus copy is must. I have uploaded syllabus copy right here. You can see. This is syllabus copy. See, same one, same two. With the we have to write this syllabus copy for the practicals as well as practicals.
Yes.
As well as practicals. So you have to write that the next lecture before the next lecture, and then we will see what points are remaining now. Use of liquor in garrison service, and then advantages and disadvantages of garrison service. Understand? So these are the points.
Yes.
Just write it down all the points in your notebook. Start with the syllabus copy.
Yes.
Okay, write down these
Okay.
all points, so it will be easy. It should be this is okay, right? This Zoom is quite comfortable with you guys. This is okay, so I can display the
Yes.
notes. You can see the notes. I will explain it one by one. This is okay, or do we just make a
Yes.
normal call?
No, this is okay.
This is okay, right? So what I'm just, you can see here, I'm recording this whole session, and I will upload this session on the YouTube shortly. And after that, those are not able to attend, but they can see the lecture, so I don't have to repeat one more time, right? So this
Okay.
is the easiest thing which I find out, discover during the quarantine. And then what we have to do, who those are not attending, I have done 2 lectures. Who those are absent, that will affect your internal whatever. Okay, you know. Okay, fine, then we will stop here. I have to attend one more lecture of FY, okay, by 11:30. So this is done. Yasmin, I will upload this lecture. You came in between, so you will see the lecture from the beginning. Akshata was there, and then you understand. If you have questions, just message me, or else just write it down. I will explain those queries or questions in the next lecture. And next lecture,
Okay.
if you don't have that homework ready, so I will not allow you to attend the lecture, and that will mark as absent, okay, in here. So I will show you attendance book right now. So this is attendance. So today is 21st, 22, right? 22nd. TY. I will write here. TY, Yasmin and Akshata. Okay, this is done. Now we will finish, right? We'll see you
Yes.
tomorrow then. Take care.
See you
Enjoy.
tomorrow. Thank you, sir.
Do the homework. Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye.